Hey, you guys, right here we have a simple, cute, and affordable gift for your teachers. I picked this up at Target. It was only $5 at the Target dollar spot. As soon as I picked these jars up, I knew what I wanted to do with them. They are simple to use. You just open the lid and that's it. And you're going to fill it up with whatever goodies you want to come up with. I have so many ideas for these, but I knew as soon as I saw them at Target what I wanted to do with them. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. Now the thing with this is you have to tape the lid back on because it is easy to open, and it's just a simple lid. It's like for pencils and for clips and stuff like that that teachers could put on. I love the Halloween pattern. I thought it was so cute when I saw it. So many things can go in there: paper clips, pencils, markers, so many teacher items you could put in here. This is going to be for the teachers. So this is the main gift for the teachers. And I was so excited when I saw them. Like I said, only $5 at the Target a dollar spot. So if you want to go pick them up, I still saw them there last time. Now, I'm going to start off with filling it up with a shredded paper. I decided to go with the purple since it is Halloween and I had a little bit of purple left. I picked this shredded paper up at the dollar spot. It was $1.25. So if you want to go pick it up, it is at the dollar store. So the purple went on there nicely. I thought the color was super bright and it stands out very nice. The next thing that I will be adding is a couple of things that I made myself just for them. So let's go ahead and add it up. Now, if you want to put more shred paper, it's up to you. But since I'm going to add a couple of goodies, I decided not to put too much. I just put a little bit at the bottom. I want the stuff to kind of like sink in, but still have a little bit of cushion in case, I need to add more. Now, the first thing I'm adding is this gift card from Starbucks as well as 2 hair scrunchies. So I thought this was a great gift to put in here. You get 2 Halloween scrunchies as well as a Starbucks gift card. And I love the scrunchies. They're like so Halloween. They have skulls, they have spider webs, they have, everything Halloween. I thought this was a great idea. I put them in a little small goodie bag. That way it's really nicely packaged for them. Plus you add a cool little gift card, I think the scrunchies are awesome. Both teachers have long hair, so it was a win-win. They came out really cute. I made a ton of them for the rest of the teachers as well as teacher aides. So that video will be coming up soon. Make sure you keep an eye out for that video as well. But yeah, I thought that was a great idea. It came out pretty cool. You can add as many as you want. The next thing I'm adding is from Walmart. It was 98 cents. And this is a necklace that glows in the dark. I thought this was so cool. So it has this little like Day of the Dead skull. And I was like, this is perfect for this little project. So I brought one for each. Since it is Halloween, I wanted to keep it like, Halloweenish. The next thing I have is this bracelet, which has the 2 skulls as well. So I thought this was great. My godchild made these. So this was a perfect touch for the teachers. I'm going to put this one right in the front. So they have the matching bracelet to go with the matching necklace. So that I think that came out pretty cool. Look how cool that is. And now I'm going to add one more thing. You can add as many items as you want or as less. It's actually perfect like this, but I'm going to add my favorite goodie bags that I always make, and I did them with the black bow. So I'm going to go ahead and add 2 of them one on each side. I think that is so cute, and I made it for both of them. So I had enough for both of them to add 1 on each side. This is perfect. The teachers have a little bit of chocolate, a gift card, as well as a little treat, You can't go wrong with this. Plus the size of the jar was perfect. Look how cool that looks. So as soon as they open it up, they're going to have a little bit of everything, a little bit of chocolate, a gift card, as well as, the hair ties. So I'm going to go ahead and pinch this a little bit down. So I want to make sure it goes in so I'm able to close it. Like I said, for this one, you need tape. You need to put tape on both sides in order to close it because it doesn't lock when it closes. It just sits on there. It's a great idea for like something simple on their desk, but you have to close it with tape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put tape on each side and just secure it so it doesn't fall when they open it up. That's all. Very simple. Tape on each side, close it up, and there you go. You have a cute gift to give to a teacher. You can give it to her like that. It's nice and secure. It's just a little jar full of goodies, or you can just leave it empty as well. So many things you can do with it. The jar is the gift as well. They had different kinds on at the Target dollar spots. I added all the pictures on my Instagram. I will leave the link down below, as well as the link for my Amazon storefront. If you want to go pick up those goodie bags and the bowls, they're going to be on my Amazon storefront, which I will leave the link down below. The next thing I picked up were these clear bags, and I picked them up at the Target dollar spot as well. They were only $3. I thought these would be perfect for this gift. They are just see-through bags, so the teacher can go ahead and use them again. They're really thick, so they are reusable. They're going to be able to put all their stuff in there. And for $3, they were a great size. They're not too big or too small. The only thing I'm going to do is add the kids' names outside of the bag so they can each give their bag to their teacher. She can always take the label off anyways. Because you know how sometimes when you give a gift and then they get home, they don't know who gave it to you? I like to put the kids' names on there just so they know that it was my kid that gave them the gift. So it's optional. You don't have to, but if you want to, I think it's a great idea, especially, to know who gave it to you. I'm going to add this gorgeous purple tissue, which goes great with the shred. So I'm just going to add one piece to give the bag color. I'm going to add the gift right in the middle, and there you go. And look how cute this idea is. And this will be their gifts for Halloween. Super cute, super affordable, and ready to just take. Now these clear bags are at the Target dollar spot, as well as the jars, so it should be super easy. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same one, but this is a great idea. You guys, if you want to do it in orange, switch it up, do it in orange. If you want to do it in black, switch it up, do it in black. It's going to be cool either way how you put the tissue in the clear bag. It's going to stand out, and I thought it was a great idea, to add a little color to a clear bag. Plus, it's a win-win. They get a clear bag. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other one. I'm going to put Manuel's name on there. I'm going to take off the tag. And I'm just going to fluff it up. Always fluff up your bag. And do the same thing. So I am so happy that I did this idea. I think it's going to be so cool when I give them the gift. Plus, you get a cool little container as well as a clear bag. So it's a win-win for a teacher. You can give this to the teacher, the principal. You still have the teacher aides. You have the aftercare, the daycare, the assistants. There's so many people out there. Choose wisely. Choose the people that always help you with the kids. And give them a little something for Halloween. This is super cute, super affordable. You cannot go wrong with this, you guys. They're going to love this. I'll leave my Amazon storefront link down below. And yeah, I hope you guys like this idea. I hope you guys make your own. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. I love this idea. I hope you guys like it as well. And yeah, until next time. Bye, you guys.